How to close your face with a sticker and make it follow your face on CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cover your face with a sticker and make it follow your movements using the CapCut app. This effect is super fun and perfect for hiding your face or adding some creativity to your videos. So let's get started. First, open CapCut and import your video. Tap on the timeline to get started. Once a video is added, scroll through the tools at the bottom and select Overlay. Then tap on Add Overlay and choose the sticker you want to use. This could be something fun like an emoji or even a custom sticker if you have uploaded one. After adding a sticker, resize and position it to cover your face. Don't worry about perfection yet because we will make it move with your face next. Now, to make the sticker follow your face, tap on the sticker layer and scroll to find the tracking tool. Draw a box around your face to tell CapCut what to track. Then hit start and let the app do its magic. It will analyze a video and make the sticker follow your face automatically. Once the tracking is done, play back your video to check the results. If needed, adjust the sticker size or position at any point in the timeline to make it look just right. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can create a fun and creative video with a face covering sticker that follow your movements. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.